new to the Florida Center for Reading Research at Florida State University. Some of you may be very familiar with our work here, and some of you may just be learning about it. But what we do know is that it's work that happens with you in our communities. And so we wanted to open our doors so you can learn more about what we're doing here to improve reading outcomes for children here in our own backyard, children across the Big Bend and Panhandle area, and really children across the state of Florida and really across the nation and the world. We absolutely are very much so interested in discovery for discovery's sake and building knowledge for knowledge's sake, but we are very much so interested in making sure that that knowledge is applied to what is happening with children and families and teachers and schools and communities and leaders and all of those buildings. We know that there's a real privilege to building knowledge for this world. We take it very seriously, and we hope that the work that we're doing is making an impact.